this is screen again for MyVM ECM level to support him in AP reading. Okay, continue with the FileNet standalone container install and configuration on Kubernetes cluster. And this is the last part 6 Ingress configuration for FileNet container. First, I will highlight the major change for Kubernetes 1.24 and also the Ingress. Actually, those change and also the YAML template. I will show you in the tag node in this following tag node following tag node. We currently have some K8s here, okay, to cover the Ingress NGX YAML resource. Okay, show you the link so you have a better understanding for this. So we have some you can see here we have some also the Ingress ConfigMap, but those are also changed. But most importantly should be this. You can see the version, API version extension /v1 beta 1. But for the latest version, okay, compliant with Kubernetes 1.24, it all changed to the following. You can see here, API version should be networking.kubernetes.io/v1. Okay, all changed to this. Okay, and also the format is all changed. So if you are on the latest version of Kubernetes 1.24, you need to follow this to draft you a YAML. The Ingress NGX YAML resource file. Okay. And also the certificate I mentioned earlier, you also need to comply that and make that certificate compliant for Kubernetes 1.24. Okay. Ingress YAML sample I already showed you, and also the TLS secret. For the TLS certificate, it's also changed. That certificate comply to the latest Kubernetes version. And also for the last one, okay, here should be some regarding the ConfigMap. You can see the ConfigMap naming is also changed. It changed to Ingress-NGX-controller. And also the namespace changed to Ingress NGX. Okay, let me check this tag node. So for this tag node, actually, you can see here, you need to, because by default, the Ingress controller only allows a minimal file size. It just normally below 50K upload. So if you want to upload the larger file, you need to add those parameter. Okay, this is actually first parameter actually is for the ACC. Okay, allow the second line enable underscore and in headers should be for ACC, no issue. And also all those start with proxy. You can see body size and also buffering, read timeout, send timeout, and those for the larger files upload. Okay, after you change this ConfigMap, and then you just wait till the controller port restart. Ingress NGX controller restarted. Okay. For those, the NGX resource YAML template, actually we are using this and then copy to that working directory. And also for the Ingress SVC, but Ingress SVC is not changed very much. Okay, and then we apply those YAMLs. Okay, and for the ConfigMap, actually you can use kubectl patch ConfigMap and also use tab merge and to add those parameters into the ConfigMap. Okay. After that, actually the most important should be the one we add that you can see here actually should be some trust certificate trust node. I'm just gonna, yeah, this. You can see here, trust certificate list. Actually, we add container registry, and also we add the CT ingress secret, and also SN ingress secret here. So we will trust those certificate, okay, in the FileNet container. Okay, I think that's it for the whole series.